Hey guys, subscribe to Shamsundar 1997's YouTube channel and click the bell button for more videos.
Shamsundar 1997 Animations presents George fixes his grandpa's sailing boat / Ungrounded.
I'm going to fix my grandpa's sailing boat, because my sister Peppa destroyed it. I'm going to fix it by using Plotagon logic. Yes! I fixed my grandpa's sailing boat. Yes! I fixed my grandpa's sailing boat. Yes! I fixed my grandpa's sailing boat.
George, I'm so proud of you that you fixed my sailing boat, and for this, I'm calling your parents for what you did.
Later, after Grandpa Pig calls George's parents for what he did, let's see what happened next.
George, we are so proud of you that you fixed your grandpa's sailing boat.
And for this, you are ungrounded forever. You can do whatever you want.
Thank you so much, Mom and Dad. You are the best.